So today's question is count partitions with even sum difference. You are given an integer array nums of length n. A partition is defined as an index I where uh, I is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, less than n minus 1. Splitting the array into two non-empty subarrays such that left sum contains indices 0 to I and right subarray contain indices I plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay, so this is the condition, okay, for splitting the array. Now we have to return the number of partitions where difference between the sum of the left and right subarrays is even. Okay, so we want to find the difference between right and left subarray, and if it is even, then we have to include in our answer. Basically we have to count that uh, there are basically we have to count the number of partitions. Okay, and partitions means the difference between sum of left and right subarrays, okay, is even, should be even. Okay, so nums is given to you, okay, as an example here, 10 10 3 7 6. Okay, see, now say 10 and this 10 3 7 6, the difference of this sum is 16, which is even. Okay, similarly 10 and 10 will be 20, and this 3 is plus 1 will be 10 plus 6 16. 60 minus 20 will be 4, which is also even. So total there are 4 partitions and all the 4 partitions are even, so the answer will be 4. So for doing this, I will initiate two variables. First left sum, second right sum, and also another variable for maintaining the count of valid partitions, basically count of even differences. So I will write int count equals to 0. Okay, then int sum l, you can let's write ls equals to 0, which is left sum. Okay, and int right as. Okay, now we will be using uh, prefix sum for this. For this I will write int I equal to 0, I less than nums of I, nums of size. Okay, and this rf will be equals to this nums of I. Now see, this rs, see, initially if the index, okay, initially if the index is not 0 also, okay, if the index is not 0 also, then the ls, basically the left sum, is empty and all the array, all the elements is in the right subarray, right? Okay, so that's why uh, I have add all the elements of this nums to this rs variable. Okay, so now I will run a loop in I equal to 0 and I less than what, I less than nums dot size, and here if you see I is, we have to uh, check from 0 to n and from I plus 1. Okay, okay, I will see condition afterwards. First we'll write logic here. So for this, what I have to check, I have to check whether the left sum and the right sum, the difference between the left sum and right sum is even or not. Okay, so for this, first of all, if the index, if our iterator, okay, if the iterator, basically the pointer, is at first index, that what we want to split this array as two subarray. Okay, this array into two subarrays of left and right. Okay, and in left subarray there should be one element only, because initially we are dividing this subarray on the basis of our position of this pointer, and initially it is at 0 pointer, zeroth basically index. Okay, so this will be one subarray and this will be other subarray. Now see, for maintaining the sum of this subarray, I have introduced this variable ls. So I will write ls plus is equals to nums of I. Okay, now for maintaining this right sum, I have initialized this rs, right variable. But see, if you see here, Initially rs variable has the sum of all of the element, so we have to remove the we remove this element from the sum, so that now the sum will be the sum of this four element. Basically it will be the right away, right? So rs minus equals to nums dot I, and from where, in which index we have to do, from 0 to n minus less than n minus 1, basically 0 to n minus 2. So I will write less than n minus 1 simply. Okay, and I will write a difference. Int difference diff is equals to absolute of nums of I. Okay, not nums of I, sorry, ls minus rs. Okay, and I will write if this difference, okay, this difference is even, then we will increase our count. Okay, so we'll increase our count, and after this we'll return this count. Okay, let's see if it's work or not, but if it's works or not. See, so I hope you understood the approach of this question, how to do this question, how to approach the solution of this question. Okay, it was quite easy question. Okay, and if you are having any doubt, then please write in the comment section. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel. I want to reach till 50 subscribers to do live stream in my channel, and by doing live streaming I want to talk to you guys. Okay, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you.